Hello everyone, welcome to FameWorld Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena. Today I am going to start with types of cloud computing. In the previous two lectures, I have discussed why cloud computing is needed and what is cloud computing. Today we are going to understand about the types of cloud computing. We can categorize the different types of cloud computing based on two wide categories. One being a development model and the other one being service model. So let's talk about the deployment model. Actually, it's a deployment model and service model. So let's talk about the deployment model first. Deployment model is a category of cloud computing, and it is categorized into three types. First one is public, and then private, and then hybrid cloud. In other words, you can say public cloud, private cloud, and hybrid cloud. It will be easy for me to explain, and also it will be easy for you to understand if I walk you through this example. Consider the different types of vehicles we use to commute from one place to another. For example, if I want to travel, I can pick up a bus which is accessible to anyone. I get in and I pay for the seat that I occupy, and I pay for the time that I will be traveling in it, and I am done. Cost is very less here. A similar kind of thing happens in the public cloud. I pay only for the resource that I use, and I pay for how long I use it. If I use less, I pay less, and if I use more, I pay more for that particular month simply. On the other hand, private cloud is like buying your own car and using it for commuting purpose. Here I pay a huge amount upfront, and it is all owned only by me. I do not pay for it in the ideal fashion, but completely, and you can say all upfront the cost here is very huge. And thirdly, if we want the best of both types, like the comfort of owning a car and still do not want to pay all upfront, otherwise want only to pay for the time that I use the service, I can rent a car similarly. I can have the hybrid environment in that case. So hybrid environment is just like this particular case when we are renting a car or a taxi. Meaning if I already have a domain controller, I can integrate it with the cloud and use both the domain controller, and that would become an hybrid environment. Alright, so that was good of learning. So let's summarize the types of cloud based on the deployment model. As we know about the public cloud is a cloud infrastructure that's made available to the general public over the internet, and it is owned by the cloud providers. Some of the major players as cloud providers are AWS, Microsoft, Microsoft Azure, IBM's Blue Cloud, and Sun Cloud. And private cloud, now this cloud infrastructure is exclusively operated by a single organization. It can be managed by organizations or third party and may exist on premises or off premises, doesn't matter. But the point here is this is exclusively operated for a single organization, and some companies that provide private cloud are AWS and VMware. And hybrid cloud is the best of both public and the private cloud. For example, the federal agencies that opt for private clouds for storing and deploying personal data, and they use public cloud to share the non-sensitive data with the general public or with other government departments. So now, after talking about the deployment model, I am going to talk about the service model. But yes, we will be continuing the service model in the next video. So stay tuned.